Welcome back to the channel. Once again, I am trading NASDAQ futures, trading the NQ contracts. And if you saw my video from yesterday, you saw that I got this Apex account funded. It's a 50K funded account now. So I got it over 53,000 yesterday, and it reset to 50,000. So now, as you see down here, it says PA Apex. That means it's funded. So today it's just time to be patient, waiting to see if the market provides me with some of my setups, my reversal setups, my momentum continuation setups, or flag patterns. So stay tuned and let's see what the market gives us. Alright, I'm going to take a quick short right here. Thinking we can get down here to yesterday's close, maybe fill that gap down there to where that yellow dotted line is. We're seeing some strong momentum to the downside, so I'm going to see if I can ride that on down a little bit. Okay, now it seems like we're getting a little bit of a push down. Let's see if we can go back down here to this purple line like I was thinking maybe. We're getting some strong selling.
He teaches that the perfect exit point is not a mystical secret, a piece of information whispered from an insider.
I think we can get it.
It is not a matter of magic or luck.
Push it on down there. Come on, tap yesterday's close in this 15-minute range here.
The voice of hope that whispers, hold on to a loser. And the voice of fear that screams, sell now.
There we go. Profit target hit. So that's 10 points. Put us almost $200 in the green on this new funded account. Off to a pretty good start. Yesterday's close and the yellow dotted line, which is today's open. So we actually pushed down to fill that gap, which I thought we might do. So that gave me extra confidence. So alright, so I just entered another short. We formed another little flag right here. And it looks like we still have decent momentum to the downside based off that 15-minute chart. So I'm thinking maybe we can get a 10-point push down.
And which path will you? The trend is the market's truth. Everything else is opinion. That is punished, for he bleeds away his capital in commissions and small losses. Ask yourself.
Alright, it looks like I might get stopped out right here. There we go. Just got stopped out. So now I'm 271 in the red. Alright, I'm going to take another short, betting that we get a little bounce off of the top of this range we're stuck in. On this 5-minute chart, we've got this little ascending channel here, which could act as a range target. Come on.
Discipline was profitable, emotion was costly. But knowing the lesson is not enough. One must live it.
Okay, so target hit. So now I have 2 winning trades, 1 losing trade. And I'm currently down $74. Alright, I'm going to bet against that breakout. Try to get 10 more points right here. Let's see what happens. Let's see if it'll hit my profit target. Get the 10 points. Come on.
And it will tell you when to sell. If you have the patience to watch. You don't need tips. You don't need chatter. You don't need yesterday's newspaper.
There we go.
You need only to keep your eye on the main.
So I'm back in the green.
Do you stand by the riverbank arguing with
3 winning trades, 1 losing trade, $122 in the profits.
You know the imagined. Had I listened to the noise, I'd have snatched pennies and lost.
I'm going to trade back to the upside. I think we could come down to this fair value gap at some point. I just don't know if it'll be today. That's on the 4-hour. That fair value gap on the 4-hour. As of right now, we're hanging tight in this range, so that's what I'm going to trade. Let's see what this next candle does. Can we get a push? Come on, hit the 10 points, hit the 10 points. Push through, come on, do it. 8 points. There we go. Finally. Okay, so for that trade, we're stuck in the range, and I was just playing off the bottom of the range, a little bit towards the upside of the range, trying to get 10 points. ATR was only 12 to 14 throughout that whole trade, I think. So trying to get 10 points takes a little while. It takes a few candles, so you got to be patient. If it would have taken much longer, I probably would have just locked in my profits at 6 to 8 points. So today I got 4 winning trades, 1 losing trade, and I'm currently up $319. So I'm going to call it a day, because most likely we're going to be chopping around like this the rest of the day, because we have Fed funds rate, FOMC stuff tomorrow. So the big money players are probably just chilling, waiting for that. And I'm not a range trader most of the time. I'm more of a momentum and trend trader, breakout trader. So this was kind of out of my norm, but I did it well, and I might continue doing this. But if you notice, I only traded 1 contract the whole day today, because when we're in a range, since I'm not a range trader most of the time, I'm not gonna risk any more than that. 1 contract's plenty. You know, I took 5 trades. I took 5 trades. I'm up $319. That's not a bad day. It's a green day. This new funded account's up $319 in profits. So I'm going to take my little bit of profits, call it a day, come back tomorrow. Actually, tomorrow morning could be choppy as well, and then Thursday might be a good trading day, because the Fed funds rate FOMC stuff's not until Wednesday afternoon at 1 and 1:30. So tomorrow morning could be choppy also. So I may just do the same, try to catch a couple of trades and call it a day. So I hope you found some value in this. If you're enjoying these daily day trading videos, leave me a comment, let me know, so that I'll know that it's worth me doing it, and I'll continue doing them. And then also just make sure you're subscribed to the channel. A lot of people that watch these videos aren't subscribed. So if you subscribe, you'll stay up to date with everything. And I post crypto market updates, just regular NASDAQ updates, every couple of days. A lot of it's in short form, so make sure you check out the short videos also. But not a bad day. Thanks for watching, and I'll be back tomorrow, see what I can get tomorrow. I probably won't be trading tomorrow afternoon, but I'll try to catch a couple of trades in the morning, and if so, I'll make a video and post that. So until the next video, peace out.